Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Ticketmaster account in 2026. So if you are done using your account and you want to remove your personal data, this guide will walk you through the official process step by step. So first of all, you need to either open your Ticketmaster application on your phone, or you can just come here on ticketmaster.com. Then you need to log in with that particular account of yours which you want to delete. Just make sure that you have used any of the outstanding ticket credit, and you have downloaded the tickets that you still need. You have checked for the active memberships or the subscriptions, because once the account is deleted you won't be able to get all of these things back. So when you log in, simply click on the my account option on the top right hand corner. After that, click on the option of my settings. Over here, click on the option of manage alerts. So when you are here inside the settings of your account, you just have to look for the manage preferences. So here among the given options, you just have to look for the option of delete account. So here, when you are able to find the option of delete account, simply select that and follow further instructions in order to successfully delete your account. Now, if you don't see the option over here, you can click on the option of help on the top right hand corner. After that, you can come here on this page where in the search bar, you can just simply search for delete, and it is going to show you this particular article. So after clicking on it, it is going to show you that to delete your data or Ticketmaster account, you need to submit a request through the privacy policy web form using the email associated with your account. So when you click on this privacy policy web form, basically you need to fill out this particular form with that particular email which is associated with your Ticketmaster account, and then click on the option of submit. So after doing this, you will be able to easily delete your Ticketmaster account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.